Yes. Meron ba?
Thank you so much, Sir Piolo. Of course, kita po namin na nagdala kayo ng family dito sa stage. How do you know each other po? At talaga namang mukhang sobrang saya din naman.
Actually, first time namin magkita-kita, but I've heard a lot from, of course, the Magtabog family. Si Nanay Marites, she was working in Japan for 22 years. So, ang nag-provide ng buhay para sa pamilya nyo dito is your being an OFW in Japan for 22 years. And I was told as well na nakapagpatayo ng bahay si Nanay Marites para sa pamilya because of her hard work. Nakabili siya ng bahay dito mismo sa Caloocan, and of course with the help of video. Tama po ba, Nanay Marites?
Yes po.
Napaka-inspiring mo talaga ng istorya ninyo, and you know, for you to do this for the love of your family is very inspiring. Nakaka-admire po kayo. Sana marami pang katulad nyo. Talaga po. Oo nga po, grabe. Maraming salamat, Jared. Ano pakiramdam? Nakita mo naman nag-provide